Memorial Day weekend is not just one night of elevated patrols. Law enforcement agencies run a coordinated, multi-day push from Friday through Monday, with extra officers and checkpoints across the whole long weekend. That means the risk window is roughly 4 days, not just Saturday night. Understanding that helps explain why so many people doing ordinary holiday things end up stopped. A regular night out is one event. Memorial Day is a barbecue Saturday, a lake day Sunday, a cookout Monday, with alcohol spread across all of it. People lose track because the pace feels casual and the setting feels relaxed. On top of that, heat and dehydration from hours outdoors can intensify the effects of alcohol and hurt your performance on field sobriety tests for reasons that have nothing to do with how much you actually drank. If your stop happened late in the afternoon after a long sunny day, those conditions are worth raising. If you drove shortly after your last drink, your blood alcohol may still have been climbing when the officer pulled you over. That means the later chemical test at the station could read higher than your actual level at the wheel. This is called the rising blood alcohol issue, and it comes up often in holiday arrests because the pattern of grazing on drinks across an afternoon fits it exactly. The prosecution relies on the station instrument result, which is the Title 17 governed test, as its evidence in court. But if your blood alcohol was still rising when you drove, the timing between the driving and that reading matters. One Memorial Day pattern deserves its own warning. People drink heavily Sunday night, sleep a few hours, then drive home Monday morning still over the limit without realizing it. Alcohol clears the body slowly and on its own schedule. A late night does not reliably leave you sober for an early drive. A real share of holiday arrests happen exactly this way, to people who genuinely believed the night before was behind them, and the elimination timeline becomes part of defending those cases. Sobriety checkpoints are heavily used over Memorial Day weekend, and a valid checkpoint has to follow strict legal rules. High-volume holiday operations, running fast across multiple shifts, make procedural mistakes more likely. If the checkpoint did not follow those rules, the stop itself may not hold up. The same applies to any traffic stop. Officers still need a lawful reason to pull you over, the field sobriety tests still have to be administered correctly, and the chemical test still has to be reliable. Heavy enforcement does not lower that standard. Whatever happened over the weekend, the first practical step is the same. You have 10 days from the date of arrest to request a DMV hearing to protect your driving privileges. That deadline does not pause for the holiday, and missing it typically means an automatic suspension. If you were stopped in an unfamiliar county far from home, the court logistics are more complicated, but your rights and defenses are the same. Start with the DMV deadline, because that clock is already running. A Memorial Day DUI grows out of a specific set of circumstances, and those same circumstances can become part of your defense. I'm Joel Brand, a California DUI lawyer. This is general information, not legal advice. If you want a free written case analysis, it is at DUI.guru.